Samsung typically announces two flagship smartphone series every year, the Galaxy S and the Galaxy Note, with the former launching in the first half of the year and the latter in the second half. With the Galaxy Note 20 set be officially unveiled, which was officially announced on 5 August, all heads will then be turning to the next generation Galaxy S, which could be called the Galaxy S21 or the Galaxy S30. So there are two possibilities whether the new upcoming S phone would be called as either S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, or they might change it to the S30, S31 Plus, S31 Ultra. Before the Samsung Galaxy S20 arrived, the naming strategy for Samsung Galaxy devices was easy to predict as the company followed the sequential number. After Samsung jumped from Galaxy S10 to the Galaxy S20 in 2020, however, it is now harder to determine what the next Galaxy will be called going forward. We would put our money on the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, as this would tie in with the year 2, but the company could also use Galaxy S30. For now, Samsung has not confirmed the name for the next Galaxy S device, but as most rumors call it, the Galaxy S21. That's what we will refer to it in this feature until there is any substantiating evidence suggesting otherwise. So according to the release and date on prices, it is expected that it is to be announced on the February of 2021, likely on sale from March 2021. Samsung usually announces the Galaxy S range of smartphones in February, followed by March, which is usually for the sailing date. The Samsung Galaxy S9 was announced on 25 February and on sale from 16 March. The Galaxy S10 was announced on 20 February and on sale from 8 March. And the Galaxy S20 was announced on 11 February and on sale from 6 March. We would expect to see the Galaxy S21 series go on the sale either on 5 March or March 12, but we would just taking an educated guess for now. In terms of price, we would expect the device to be in similar ballpark to their predecessors, with the Galaxy S21 the cheapest, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, if there is one, the flagship devices. Talking about the design, the Samsung S20 series made a few changes on the design front compared to the S10 series, ignoring the S10 Lite, moving the camera housing on the rear from the center of the left corner. The front remained largely unchanged, however, with the punch hole camera in the center of the display at the top. It's not yet clear if the Samsung will change the design drastically from the Galaxy S20. We expect to see some changes, but we don't expect to see an entire redesign. A waterproof body with a rear and middle frame are likely to remain for the Galaxy S21 with the new color options. The biggest change might come if Samsung succeeds in offering an under-display front camera, but there is only one rumor to say this is possibility so far. If things stay mainly the same, expect the Galaxy S21 Ultra to look like the flagship again, like S20 Ultra does. Talking about the design, the Samsung Galaxy S20 has a 6.2-inch display. The S20 Plus has a 6.7-inch display, and the S20 Ultra would be having the 6.9-inch display. All have curved edges and all have Quad HD Plus resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate. We would expect similar display sizes in the Galaxy S21, 21 Plus and Ultra if there are three designed again, and we would expect to see the 120 Hz refresh rate again too. We would also expect curved display at least on the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Hardware is same. It's been suggested that Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will run on unannounced Adsense 1005 nanometer chipset, said to compete with the unknown Qualcomm Snapdragon 875, which the US version of the device will likely offer. As for the standard Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus It is currently unclear what chipset will power them, but the Adsense 991 and 992 name is still unconfirmed, has been suggested. It's also been found that there will be 5G variants of all three devices, and they will offer 128 and 256 GB storage. In terms of battery capacity, the S21 Ultra is likely to have the largest, followed by S21 Plus and S21. Camera is Samsung has always chosen the best camera comparatively. Samsung will undoubtedly offer a big focus on the camera for the Galaxy S21 range, especially in the case of S21 Ultra. There's been a talk of an under-display selfie camera as well as talk of OIS on the front camera, and there has also been talk of 150 megapixel sensor in the making too. At the moment, the rumors about what camera setup each of the Galaxy S21 devices will offer are scarce, but this will change in the coming months. So watch this space and keep watching our channel and subscribe to this button, and you will see the new updates on every part of every Galaxy and iPhone phone. And we'll see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.